At iRestify, we're focused in supporting the property management industry with upkeeping the highest building standards above and beyond RentSafe Toronto guidelines. We certainly understand what it means in upkeeping high evaluation scores for rental buildings across the city. In a recent example of a RentSafe Toronto inspection that took place at an iRestify service building, the property manager on site was able to show the inspector exactly what was being done according to the scope of work simply by logging into their iRestify dashboard. This supported their scores in presenting all service data and completion according to the scope of work, all quality inspection reports, and an interface to cater to the unique building types across the city. Let us ensure you stay prepared when it comes to managing your building and upkeeping the highest RentSafe Toronto building scores.